Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now just had a session for people at WhatsApp, Telegram and Twitter. You find links below if you want to join these sessions. Also I do this live where I share my screen. So in the WhatsApp, Telegram and Twitter I just post a picture, I take a screenshot and I give the line, I give everything. But if you want to follow me live you can do so. Just join a member, you find link below the video for that also. And also, if you want to use this broker to follow me on these places, just use the link you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. I give also 200% on your first deposit. You find promo code below for that. And also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on this bell notification thing, and also make a comment below. This helps me out. So let's take a look at the trades we have done today. So you can see we did 5 trades, we lost the last, so we got 4 winners and 1 loser in the session. So make sure you join, we are making money. And basically the strategy I'm using, I just follow a specific line. So this line we can see here right now is still active. This is one of the one we never got a trade, but we are waiting for. So if you come up to the line here, you see the number here. This is for Australian dollar against dollar. So if the bar can come up to this line here, we will basically just push the down button. The only thing I will do, I will put this one to 30 seconds. I'll push down, and if you come up here, I will have a winner. My rule is like this. If the bar come up here now, you can see now it's very long time since I've tested this line. So what I would like to see now is that the bar will come up here. He will come up to this line. He will test it, and if he tests it and looks something like this, that if you don't have any spike above it and he go down, then I will say this line is activated. So in some way we can make it like this. We can make the line like this. It's not active yet. So if the bar come up, test, we see okay, he hold, and he hold the same way we see over here. Then I change it to red, is active, and then I will trade every time he come up to the line. I'll just push down. And if we can get a repeat of this, basically here we can see we got 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe lost this one, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 winners, and we probably will lose this one, and we probably would have lost this one. So 12 winners against 2 losers, that's good in my book. Then we are printing money. And you see we make $95 if I make $100. I will have minus 100. So you can say once again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, actually 13 winners. So let's take 13, multiply with 95 if I trade this line, minus 200 in loss trade. We will still have made more than $1,000 on this line. So if you can get a repeat, you're printing money. And if you trade regularly every single day, you will find many times line like this. Yes, sometimes you get 4 and you break the line, you get, the broker is not good. Well, it's like this. But when you find these lines like this, you make back all the losing trades you have for past lines that is broken, and you will print money basically. So just be patient and you will make money. Okay, so this is just a short video to show you what we do in our groups. So on WhatsApp, Telegram and Twitter you find links below, and also if you can choose from the 3, choose WhatsApp. I give more information there, plus you have the possibility to chat directly with me. So make sure you join the WhatsApp one. Okay, also if you want to see my screen, you find link below the video for that also, and you can enjoy the way to make money together with me. Okay, so with that, have an amazing day and check out the video up there. YouTube says she will like this video. So with that, have an amazing day.